These are our Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. When pursued by predators, they plunge into the river. Now, jaguars have a snorkel, helping the animals stay submerged for hours. The Amazon is home to many smaller creatures. Look to your right. Hiding among the leaves and branches are our cotton hawk family. These small monkeys communicate with one another and chirps and the birds.
Watch out for jaguars.
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
Ayun, cute.
We're about to enter the cave of the jaguars. Jaguars are the largest big cats found in the Americas and are known for their beautiful golden orange coats with black rosettes. Their fur coat helps them blend into their rainforest environment. With quick leaps and powerful bites, jaguars hunt a wide variety of animals in the Amazon.
Nakalagay sa bakod ko, ba't amin nabibig? Yan. Ako birthday. Para kayo na tutulog mo. Ang pakalog sa inyo.
Tulog na.
Oy! Kakain na kaya gusto ko tulog.
Kapag pala yung pusa, nakatulog sa ganyan.
The Amazon rainforest is nourished by the Amazon River and amazing variety of animals. Many of them are city spruces, spurring on the continuous renewal of the rainforest. Larger groups, capybaras partially wet nose and strong limbs allow them to walk and paddle along the water's edge.
Baho?
Kasi aman, ano lang dito? Ano ba? Yun ang dami oh.
Let's turn our gaze to the left. These are flamingos. The flamingos have
Yung kapibara, ayun oh.
Yung dalawa.
It is this food that gives the flamingos its great taste.
Hello.
Pink, cute.
Caribbean flamingo.
Tulog siya. Caribbean. Tulog mo.
Ayun yung kapibara mo.
Daga ba yun?
Inside with the company of squirrel monkeys, sabi monkeys, and owl monkeys. Dear explorer, we hope that we've shown you a small glimpse of the diversity of life within the Amazon. By choosing rainforest-friendly products, we can help to give the Amazon and its wildlife a chance to survive. Together, we protect.
Halaman lang pala.
Ayan, baka nauulo yun oh.
Ayan, cute. Oh, cute. Yung tao. Ay, ito. Mukhang put yung mukha, oh.
White face monkey yan. Oh, white face.
Galing nga, alam mo yung white face, ha.
Nakala pa tayo ng bato.
Kabisado niya lahat ng animals.
Pwede ka nang maging kay Kuya Kim. Ito na?
Born to be wild.
Oh, my goodness. Alright.
Our adventure
It's now over.
is now over.
Now sad. So, stay tuned.